Hello everyone, welcome back to Art of Homemaking. If you are a new viewer, please subscribe to my channel and tap notification bell to receive updates of my new videos. So this is my weekday busy morning and I'm going to prepare breakfast, lunch, pack lunch boxes for my husband and daughter and dinner as well. It takes me around 1.5 hours to prepare all this, and let's start the video. Now I'm making ghee with butter sticks from stores. So it's very easy to make ghee at home. Just use smallest burner like simmer burner and take a thick bottomed vessel and simmer it for 15 to 20 minutes and your ghee will be ready. So after that I'm planning to make dosas for breakfast. So I have already soaked multi-grain mixed dal, around 14 varieties of dal today night. So now I am making dosa batter from it. I will grind it and make batter. And once the batter is ready, I am going to add some salt and water. So it has lot of fiber in it, so it's very difficult to make dosas out of it. So you need to add some flour to it. So you can add ragi flour or rice flour to it to get dosa consistency, and I'll let it sit for some time, and after that I will prepare dosas from it. So one of my subscriber has asked me how I make breakfast, lunch and dinner in the morning. This video is for her. You can get some ideas from this video. And for lunch and dinner I am making pulav or khichdi. You can say it khichdi also, because I am adding moong dal to it. For this I am chopping onions now. So I'm going to add onions, carrots and potatoes in this. So you can add your favorite vegetables. You can add capsicum, green peas and soya granules or whatever vegetables of your choice. So I'm peeling carrots now. So you can see ghee on side, it started to boil. So in a pan I took some oil. So this is for pulav. I took some oil. When oil is hot, I'm going to add onions and green chilies and fry it for some time. So once your ghee is starting to boil, just boil it for 7 to 10 minutes and your ghee will be done. So now I'm adding onions and green chilies to the pan, and I'll fry it for some time. And while they are frying, cutting carrots and potatoes. I have already peeled them, so I am chopping them into small cubes. So you can add green peas as well. Green peas good flavor to the khichdi. Right now I don't have at my house, so I'm not using it. So but if you have green peas, you can use them. So now I'm going to add carrots and potatoes to the khichdi, and I'll fry it for some time. And here I am using quinoa, rice and moong dal for the khichdi. So you can use brown rice, cracked wheat also for the same. So I have added some ginger garlic paste and I am frying it for some time. And now I am adding turmeric powder and garam masala powder and coriander and cumin powder, and I'll fry it for some time. And I will add rice after that. So for this I took 1 cup of quinoa, 1 cup of rice and half cup of moong dal, and I will fry it for 2 more minutes, and I'll add water and I pressure cook it for 1 to 2 whistles. So here I took 4 cups of water. It is little less than 1:2 ratio. So if you want your khichdi to be dry, you can take less water, or you can take for 2.5 cups you can take 5 cups of water, but I took 4 cups instead of 5 cups. And I have added salt as well, and after that I pressure cook it for 1 to 2 whistles, and my khichdi will be done. So we eat this for lunch and dinner. So after that I have started making dosas for the breakfast. So I have a separate video on healthy instant dosas. I have shown a lot of variation of dosas in the video. Please check it if you are interested. I will add that to end screen as well as in the iCard. So I have also made peanut chutney. I forgot to shoot that. So I have roasted peanuts a day before, and I have added some water and spices, and my peanut chutney is done. So I will start making more dosas for other members of the family, and breakfast will be done. And after that I'm going to prepare lunch boxes for my daughter and my husband. So I am planning to make bread omelette for lunch box. So I took eggs and added some spices and salt, and now I am making omelette. I don't pack rice or rotis in lunch boxes. They are not very much interested to eat them, but I do pack them once in a while. I am in a hurry. So ghee is ready. You can see the color, it's ready now. And I took some oil, and I am making omelette now. So I'm packing same bread omelette for my husband and my daughter. So now I'm adding 2 bread slices to omelette so that it sticks to the bread. So very simple omelette. You can add onions or spinach or any vegetables of your choice to this omelette. So I flip it and roast it on both sides, and once it is done I cut it into proper shape, and I'll pack this. I'll pack one sandwich to my daughter, and I'll make a few more to pack in my husband's lunch box. So I'll also pack some nuts to my daughter's lunch box. So pulao is ready, and I'm also adding some blueberries and ice cubes to my daughter's water bottle, and I have packed lunch boxes and everything is ready now. We all took shower, and my husband left to work and my daughter left to school. Now I'm dropping my little one at school. So he goes to preschool 2 days in a week, just for 2 hours. So once I drop him there, I have to do some grocery shopping, and I'll drop him at preschool, and again I have 2 hours of time so that I'll finish my shopping. And I'm going to Walmart now, so I have to buy some plants, and after that I'll finish grocery shopping. And I have 1 hour left, so I'm planning to go to dollar store. I don't have anything specific to buy from dollar store, but I like to see just look around and see new stuff in dollar stores. I love shopping a lot, especially window shopping. At the same time, I don't buy when I don't need it. I like to look around. It gives me good exercise and it enhances my mood. I love to shop alone without kids. So from next week, kids vacation is starting. I may not have the privilege of shopping alone. So they have lot of cool stuff in the dollar store. This is beach and summer stuff, and they do have lot of party decorations and serveware over here. And I am big fan of dollar store shelf liners. I'm just looking for the new prints. So they do have both adhesive and non-adhesive liners. And these glass containers are great, right? You can store spices in it, but you may not store pickles because of the lids. After few uses they may get rust, because they are not glass, they are some steel or some iron kind of stuff. And they do have good collection of stationery stuff and great collection of activity books and puzzles. I always buy puzzles and activity books from dollar store. So from next week summer vacation starts, and I can engage kids with these activities. They do have grade level books like first grade math, first grade English and kind of stuff. And they do have lot of stickers and story books and activities, and everything is $1. It's cool, right? And I am almost done with my shopping, and I am going to pick up my son now, and we'll go home and have lunch, and I'll put him to nap. And after that I have to do a load of laundry, and I'll watch my favorite TV show, and I'll take some rest. And after that again my evening routine starts. My daughter comes home, and I'll give her some snack, and I'll help her with her homework, and again I'll take her out to her after school evening activities. And hope you enjoyed watching this video, and you get some ideas like how to make lunch, breakfast, dinner in the morning. And if you like these kind of videos and looking for more options, please do comment down below. I'll make these kind of videos more. And please give a big thumbs up if you like my video, and please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Facebook. And have happy summer, have fun. See you soon with a new video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.